This is number 15 question from 2018 Physics Jamb past question. Question number 15 says, which of the following obeys Ohm's law? A. All metals. B. Diode only. C. All electrolytes. D. Glass. First of all, what do you mean by the word Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that the current which passes through a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. A current which passes through a metallic conductor. From the word metallic conductor, from there you should know that they are referring to all metals. Option A says all metals, B says diode only, C all electrolytes. Don't be confused when talking about electrolytes. They are what? They are those ones that conduct electricity where they are in molten form. And this glass is an insulator, that is a poor conductor of an electricity. Therefore, from here, the right answer is this option A, which is all metals, because they say through a metallic conductor. That means they are referring to what? To the metals. Therefore, our right answer here is option A, which is all metals.